Dr. Leo here. Welcome back to my podcast. Today I want to talk about something simple. Nothing but your smile. Yes, that little curve on your face can change not just your day, but your entire life. So in today's video, I'll be talking about why smile is so important and why is it so powerful with real life examples and proven strategy. And I'll be giving you 4 super simple tasks to apply in your daily life which gonna change your day. So stay connected, let's dive into the video. You see, a smile is such more than just an expression. It's energy, it's medicine, and more beyond, it's connection. You'll be thinking, why smile is so powerful? Let me give you the scientific explanation for it. Studies have shown that when you smile, your brain releases chemicals like dopamine, serotonin, and endorphins. Those are known to be the feel-good hormones. And the other hack is smiling instantly reduces stress. You'd have experienced this thing several times in your day. Smile will lift your mood and even boost your immune system. Yes, it is. And guess what? It is contagious. Your smile has the power to brighten someone else's day, sometimes without saying a single word. See how powerful it is. And let me give you a real life example. Think about it. You are walking down the street, feeling low, lost in your thoughts. Suddenly, a stranger passes by, looks at you, and smiles warmly. Be in that moment. Imagine your worries will fade away, your mind shifts, you feel seen, acknowledged, and even hopeful. That's the magic of a genuine smile. It's a silent message that says, you are not alone, you matters. And another thing which might seem to be tough, but trust me, it'll work. Smiling doesn't mean ignoring your problems. It means choosing strength over sadness. It's your silent affirmation that no matter what's happening, I will rise, I will heal, I will overcome all of my problems. I'm enough for me. So smile in the tough time is the hope on your face. So here is the super simple tricks I'll be giving to you that you have to teach yourself the habit of smiling. Number 1, start your day by smiling at yourself in the mirror. Remind yourself you are enough for you. Tip number 2, smile when greeting others. Say good morning to your mom or your partner with a great pleasant smile on your face. And in the morning when you go to your office, at work, say hi to your colleagues with a warm smile. Or even with strangers, it is possible. Tip number 3, use your smile as a stress shield. When situation gets tough, take a deep breath and smile through it. It's really gonna calm your nerves. Tip number 4, even on bad days, smile. Not to fake happiness, but to invite it in. So with these simple super tips, the ripple effect of smile will react as a chain. It will create warmth at home, it will build positive energy at work, it will spread kindness in the world. And remember, you never know whose life your smile can touch. Yes, you can do it. Because your smile is free, effortless, and which is readily available every single moment. And its impact, that's priceless. So today I invite you, smile more for yourself, for your loved ones, for this world that needs more light. Thank you for listening to me. This is Dr. Leo signing off. Stay connected, stay motivated.